We are celebrating 1 year anniversary of this YouTube channel. It's hard to believe. The year has flown by, and it has been so exciting as we have been learning more about our relationship with our Heavenly Father. This YouTube channel is the YouTube channel of Garment of Praise Ministry, which is a ministry that I founded this time last year, a year ago. The mission statement of Garment of Praise Ministry is to encourage others to regain their self-worth during and after those curveballs of life. We all have different curveballs of life. And when you think about the common denominator with all of those differing curveballs of life, the common denominator is our self-worth was chipped away at. We lost our self-worth. And when those curveballs of life happen and we undergo shocking losses that take years for us to accept, when we come out of those shocking curveballs of life and come out on the other side of it, we find that we can regain our self-worth. We find that we can regain our true identity, who we really are. And who we really are is that we are sons and daughters of the King. And that is powerful. When we live thinking with that mindset and we get back into a strong relationship with our Heavenly Father, we begin to see that there are great spiritual gains that that enter our life because we take the time to use those curveballs of life as a learning moment. Let me encourage you to connect with someone who has went through the same curveball of life that you have. It is encouraging to be with our people, to be with the people that know exactly what we went through, because we have our own language, right? And this is so encouraging. This is a way that our Heavenly Father reaches out to us in special ways. Thank you for visiting my YouTube channel, and check out my website and my testimony to see what my curveball of life is. And if it is something that you can relate to, then let me encourage you to subscribe to this channel today. Thank you.